The most recommended activities in Canada. Canada is kind of like the USA's lesser appreciated cousin, but is one of the best tourist destinations out there. The country is massive and there are so many fun things to do, from seeing Niagara Falls, exploring one of the many national parks all around the country, or checking out their biggest and most beloved amusement parks, Canada Wonderland. Canada is the second largest country in the world by landmass and has a population of approximately 38 million. And now we are going to explore the most recommended activities in Canada. Banff. Join a local guide on a family-friendly and immersive history walking tour around Banff. Discover the Bow River ecosystem and explore the town's famous legends and landmarks along the way. Banff National Park is Canada's first national park, established in 1885. From Banff's humble beginnings as a 26-square-kilometer hot springs reserve, Banff National Park now consists of 6,641 square kilometers of unparalleled mountain scenery nestled in the heart of the magnificent Canadian Rockies. Banff is only 150 kilometers away from Calgary. There are many ways to travel from Calgary to Banff, but you can get there in about 2 hours if you drive yourself. Another option is traveling from Vancouver to Banff by train. The Rocky Mountaineer and Via Rail tours offer the every traveler unparalleled views of the Canadian Rockies. Not to mention the comfort of the train in which you are riding, or the first-class dining available to you as you go. Niagara Falls. Every year, millions of visitors come to see the spectacular beauty of Niagara Falls. It's always free to walk into Niagara Falls State Park to see the falls, and it's open 365 days a year. What many people are happy to discover, however, is that along with this majestic natural wonder, the Niagara Falls tours and activities that you can enjoy inside the park provide hours of added fun. Quebec City, Sightseeing Cruise. Explore Quebec City on a cruise along the St. Lawrence River. Set sail during the day or at night with live commentary as you admire the views of the Montmorency Falls, the Chateau Frontenac, the Côte de Beaupré, and the Laurentian Mountains. This was our suggestion if you are planning to visit Canada, but we also quote, Victoria, 3-hour Zodiac whale watching tour. And also, Jasper National Park, Maligne Lake Cruise. At the end of this video, don't forget to support us with a press on the like button and share the video.